Hey guys, welcome to another video. Guys, I just received a comment from one of my viewers, and this is one of the reasons why I always tell everyone to treat their entire home. I know some of you are like, oh, I only have them in this area, or I only seen them this area, or I only get bit in this area. It doesn't matter, guys. If you want to get rid of them, you have to treat your entire home. So I just want to share a comment I received from a viewer, and hopefully you guys will take heed to it. Those of you that just simply don't want to do what it takes to get rid of these bugs, but then come into the comments saying, Dr. Matrix, F don't work, this don't work, that don't work. It works. If it all works if you work it. All right, on to a comment, and thank you guys for watching.